is 10166. It is a two-bedroom, one-story royal suite. They really opened up the kitchens here on the treasure. See, we got some Mickey bars, fully stocked fridge, and here is the second bedroom. You can see the start of the huge veranda that wraps all the way around. Here's the bathroom. And there's another bathroom here with a shower. It's really 3 full bathrooms. This is the beautiful primary. The TV lowers and raises from the foot of the bed here. But look at these views to wake up to. And there's a hot tub right there on the deck. It's a little too windy to go out there and show it to you, but trust me, the veranda is amazing. And here is the bathroom, which is accessible. And the glass there is frosted, but you can click that off. And there we go. It's a beautiful, beautiful room.